Hello there. Okay, well, I'm going to be lazy in a way because these videos are vastly easier to do than write. But it's a very appropriate day, I think, to oh, don't be jealous of my account balance. $3.40, Bucky. There it is. And I just noticed that. Anyway, let's talk about what happened today because this was a very interesting day. And I've zoomed in on a particular portion of this, and this is the ES from last night and this morning. And as you can see, it was just sort of farting along here, doing a whole lot of nothing. And then a couple hours before the opening bell, for probably no reason except Jerome Powell firing up his laptop, this thing went absolutely exploding higher, just roaring higher. I honestly thought that Putin had signed over a peace deal or something. And what was, as my premium readers know, what was horrifying to me was that there was no news. It just plain went up. And my reasoning, and just to show you kind of what was scaring the piss out of me on this, let me just show you some different, all the telegrams you're hearing are like, I'm so popular. It's trying to bug me. Just leave me alone. I'm talking to my people here. This is what scared the holy hell out of me. This massive inverted head and shoulders pattern. I thought it was going to just wreck me because I was 80% committed to all shorts, of course, because I'm a bright moral person, and I thought I was going to get killed. And so even though I was 20% cash, I was ready to increase that to 25, 30, 35%. Basically, slip on a dress, go antique shopping, maybe get my hair done, and just reduce risk. Then, thank you, Jesus, what transpired in short order was this. Like so, which is just about my favorite thing in the world, is a failed bullish breakout. And what I like about failed bullish breakouts is two things. Jesus Christ, woman, leave me alone. What I love is two things. One, it disappoints the bulls and it makes them lose money, and that makes me happy. And the other thing is that it makes me money. It makes me doubly happy. So it's a 1-2 punch. Bulls unhappy, Tim happy. What could be better? So we had our breakout here, and then we went into this glorious free fall. Jiminy Cricket. I am way too popular. Got to tell this person to piss off. Yeah, have a good day. Too late. Anyway, now, thanks to the never-ending intervention of the Fed, they tried to fight back, as you can see. And of course, all the peace headlines and ceasefire this and Putin joy that, things got jerked around like mad. And I don't know what this was all about here. This is probably yet another algo reading a headline and saying that, oh, war is over. Here, let me say this. I've said it again and again and again. I'll just say it once more. They could basically declare peace tomorrow and apologize and go back exactly the way things were a month ago, and all the bad stuff I've been talking about is still there. In fact, things are even worse now. So I've lost track. Is it 20 or 30 trillion dollars in debt? I honestly have, me of all people, I don't remember. Is it 30 trillion now? It's not that it matters. It could be 500 trillion at this point. Inflation, the cycles we're in, is basically doomed as doomed can be regardless. So, but this obsession with the notion is basically the only bad thing in the whole world right now is Ukraine. If we can just fix Ukraine, then the S&P will be at 9,000. It's madness, absolute insanity. Because the ES, looks like this. And I created slope charts, so sorry to use Thinkorswim here. Again, I'm still just trying to impress you with my $3 account balance. So, but as I've said in my little Burma shape thing, bull markets do not look like this. This is what the beginning of a massive bear market looks like. And the only thing that went up today, glory be, is our good buddy gold. which is just doing so nicely. It's backing, it's filling, it's working its way higher, and that's terrific. Because the thing with gold, and you've seen this chart probably so many times, you're ready to throw a computer peripheral at me, is that every element of this chart speaks to great success, higher highs, higher lows, a tremendous bullish base, and frankly, lines that make it quite clear if we're wrong. You know, if we cut below yesterday's low, that's probably not a good sign. And if we cut below this low here, then it's probably game over for a little while. But none of those things are happening, and this is doing nothing but get stronger. So where I'm at now, this is mostly talk, very little charts today. Where I'm at right now is as follows. I've got two portfolios. One of them, I've got, and just for the sake of charts, I will walk you through these 7 items. I'll just preload them here. I've got 7 items in one portfolio and 36 in another. I will not go through all those. I am, in the big account, have like 3 cents of buying power. I mean, it's like all gone. It's completely committed to puts that expire anywhere from May through August. And the other one, let's just walk them through. I've got puts on the diamonds and on IYR, and I'm short Tesla. You premium folks, remember I said as we got close to 900, that would be it. I got to the 8. It basically got up to 870, and then started to turn tail. Incidentally, in my virtual portfolio, Tesla is, as you can see, $150 billion position. This is just so goofy, but I just like doing this for fun. So this is my virtual portfolio where I've got $54.4 billion in profit on these positions. And my account is at $386 billion. And there's my equity curve. So Elizabeth, my goodness, you're in trouble, girl. But yeah, that's how things are going in virtual land. The other positions, TN Revolution's going to scream at me, but I did buy puts on USO today because this is just dumb, but we'll see if I'm the dumb one. Also puts on XHB and XLY. Look at that one. Look at the pattern on that. Is that beautiful? And XLY, which was down today 2.23%. So anyway, just to wrap this up, put a bow on it. Tomorrow's Friday. And, I just remembered is the jobs report tomorrow. Good Lord. With all that's going on, I forgot that like the most important economic event of the month, jobs report, is coming out. But I'm totally short. And this is in a dreadfully tough market to trade because it's a bear market, and bear markets are always hard to trade because there's so much whiplash. There's so much craziness. And today was a miniature of that very thing. And just to wrap up with that, this was the pattern that just chilled my blood. And it's not completely defeated yet. It's not completely defeated. I mean, these numbskulls could, who knows what they could pull. But I will at least say for the day, because, the days toggle. One day's good, the next day's bad. One day's good, the next day's bad. So I guess tomorrow will be a bad day, and I can have the weekend to stew in my juices. But for today, and today only, I am just delighted that the breakout failed utterly. And as I said earlier, I felt some small degree of shame and embarrassment that I had shown any hesitation or fear to my beloved gold and platinum members. But on a realistic point, I did not close any positions in spite of that concern, probably because the market wasn't quite open yet. But yeah, it worked out. So today was a very solid day. You know what? Can we make Friday a good one too? That would be cool. All right, that said, I don't think I've got any more charts left in me. I'll see you tomorrow.